Heather, aka Malibu Rum Barbie, to my friends, fans, and followers. Malibu is the world's best-selling Caribbean rum with coconut liqueur. And while it comes in 7 delicious flavors, my favorite is original. Like me, never duplicated. My signature drink is Malibu and pineapple. And anywhere I go, bartenders, my friends, they all know that's my drink. And I have been guilty on occasion when they don't serve Malibu to sneak in my own. But thankfully this summer, I won't have to bring my flask. There'll be plenty of Malibu flowing as Radio Malibu Boom Station Invasion Concert Tour brings the spirit of the Caribbean to the hottest beach bars and pools in 10 cities. The party kicks off in Miami and ends in my town, Phoenix, where we'll have one hot time. Choose me, Malibu Rum Barbie, for the Malibu Boom correspondent, and we will have a hot summer.